okra and
Fried okra with shrimp, dried shrimp. That is roasted garlic pasta sauce. And
pasta sauce,
we may want to use all of it.
lime juice, and then that's it.
And then we have the dried shrimp.
Yeah.
Do is once you're finished chopping up the okra,
Yeah, I'm gonna chop the garlic too.
the garlic too.
I'm gonna chop everything first before I start cooking.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Then you're gonna put some grease in some. I don't know. Let's use avocado.
Okay.
Let's use avocado. And then you're gonna put. You're going to put the okra.
Put the okra first or the garlic and onions. It's
I'm
garlic.
going to put it all in the same time.
Same time.
Yes, because you're going to like fry it.
Yep.
Cook it all at the same time. You know, you're going to have to stir it, and you may have to continue adding oil.
Okay.
Okay,
All right. That's it.
that's
And
it.
then you want me season with?
It's good with rice.
I know.
Uh-huh.
The last time I okay.
Cayenne, and you're going to use a little bit of paprika.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Put the sauce.
Stir it up.
Yes. Okay.
Cool. All right.
Yes, sir. Good.
More. That's not even half.
Okay, that's it. Oh, you want me to stir it?
Yes. Just let it simmer. It's like minutes after, let's simmer for about 5 minutes. We'll come back and check it. All of the month
What?
for them to live.
And what do you think?
And they live in Ilo.
They live comfortable. Yes. If nothing,
You like that one?
nothing. Beautiful. Put in here.
Yes.